So I want to start using this shelf for storage with Gridfinity, but I need somewhere to put these Speed Champions, but I don't have that much other shelf space. So I want to design and print a modular shelving system. I created a shelf that allows duplicate shelves to slot into it at different points. I went through a few different iterations of connections, but I ended up going with one that uses trapezoids. The shelves took 6 hours and 30 minutes to print on the Prism R4, while they took 20 hours to print on the Ender 3S1.